The legal wrangling in the Shantytown matter continues as the government seeks to eradicate these unregulated communities. Our Fern Carey has the latest coming out of a hearing over which the Chief Justice presided.
The Shantytown case getting underway here in Supreme Court this morning before Chief Justice Ian Winder. Prosecutors making it clear that this case is about a blatant disregard for the rule of law by the owners and occupiers of Shantytowns here in New Providence and in Abaco, and they are asking the court to demolish the structures built in those communities. During the proceedings, head of the government's legal team, attorney Kayla Green-Smith, informed the court that the matter is an application seeking an audit of some of the residences in Shantytowns here in New Providence and Abaco that are in breach of a court order. She said that includes some 232 buildings and unfinished structures identified on the north and south side of the S.C. Boodle Highway, 120 structures and unfinished structures in the farm in Abaco, and a number of structures built in the Cowpen Road, Glaston Road, and Carmichael Road areas here in the capital, which they want demolished. She said they also want Shantytown residents here in New Providence and Abaco to cease and desist building structures in these unregulated communities until the determination of the matter. This as Respect Our Homes and 177 residents of Shantytowns in the country filed an appeal on March 10th, shortly after Justice Cheryl Grant Thompson ruled that their constitutional rights were not violated when they were legally informed by the government to vacate the land. Smith Green said Shantytowns create risk to the public and are detrimental to the environment, noting that she has not received any response to the summons from residents and occupiers in those areas. In response, Fred Smith Casey, who is representing the 177 applicants in the matter, suggested that what the respondents are attempting to do is convert what was a shield of protection into a sword. He said the government lawyers were also seeking to make the court the executive branch of the government, as it is the minister's purview to demolish or not to demolish in accordance with the Building Regulations Act. He also indicated that there is no evidence that any of the applicants breached the conditions of the injunction or the consent order, or that any of the 232 occupiers and residents in Shantytowns were served, whether in English or in a language that they can understand, prompting Green-Smith to respond that once the court order was made, she was not aware if it was translated into Creole. Smith said the summons cannot be the launching pad for the government to take action. Once both sides completed their submissions, the Chief Justice asked some of the applicants who were sitting in court if they wanted to say anything, prompting Leslie Smith to inform the court that he has a concrete structure built in the Cowpen Road area where his mother lives. He said government officers came in 2017 and asked him to upgrade the building, which he did. Now, Chief Justice Ian Winder ordered those Shantytown residents who were in court this morning to meet with Building Control Officer Craig DeLancey at 3 o'clock this afternoon at his office at the Ministry of Works to discuss their issues and concerns. He also ordered them to return to court on April 13th for a report. As for his decision in this matter, he adjourned that also to April 13th at 10 o'clock in the morning. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Fern Carey.